Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel we will discuss about the geometry and mensuration. Today we will discuss a problem related to mensuration 3 dimension. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Today's the question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. The length of the capsule is 14 mm and the thickness is 5 mm. Find its surface area. Please watch the video till the end so that the concept will be clear. In the question, it has been asked that there is one capsule. We know the shape of the capsule, that is this way. Okay, this is the shape of the capsule. What the question in the question, it has been given that the length of the capsule is 14 mm. That is from this to this is 14 mm. Okay, this is the length, or you can say height. And another thing is given that their thickness means this. Okay, this is the thickness. So this is given how much? 5 mm. Okay, 5 mm. Now we have to find the surface area. Surface area means this total surface area of this capsule. Now there are two shapes. Okay, this is the hemisphere. Okay, this is the hemisphere, and this is also the hemisphere, and remaining this portion is the cylindrical shape. Okay, now to solve the question, first we will remind what is the formula to find the surface area of hemisphere. To find the surface area of hemisphere, the formula is, we know that many times we have solved this type of question previous also. Now to find this total surface area of this capsule, total surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of two hemisphere plus cylinder. Okay, two hemisphere means this, and one cylinder is, that is this. Okay, now total surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of two cylinder, means 2, and what is the formula to find the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 into 2 pi r square. Friends, please see here, this thickness is given, that is 5 mm. Okay, therefore this 5 mm is the you can say this is the diameter. Therefore the radius will be 2.5 mm. Okay, that is because d is equal to 1 by 2 of r. Oh, d is equal to 2r. Okay, we can write again here, d is equal to 2r, or r is equal to 1 by 2 of diameter. We can say this way. Okay, now this is the curved surface area of hemisphere. Two hemisphere are there, so we have written this 2. Okay, 2 into 2 pi r square plus another is cylinder. For cylinder curved surface area will be 2 pi r h. Okay. Now another thing, we know the r. R is 2.5. Okay, r is 2.5. So we will apply this r. Okay, 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2.5 plus 2, we'll write 2 into 22 by 7 into h. H is what? This is the total length. Okay, this is the total length. So what we'll do to find the height of the capsule, sorry, the height of this cylinder, this to this, will minus the radius, this radius and this radius from the total length. Okay, that is h will equal to 14 minus 2.5, this radius minus 2.5. Okay, so h will equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9 mm. This is the height of the this capsule, this cylindrical shape of the capsule. Okay, this h, this is equal to how much? 9 mm. Okay, now we will apply this here. Okay, 2 pi r, r is 2.5 into h, h is 9. Okay, now we will simplify this. Now see here, 2 pi r, this 2 pi r, and here also 2 pi r are common, so we will take this outside. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5. Okay, now inside 2 will, this will remain 2 into 2.5, 2 into 2.5 plus 9. Okay, this 9. Now equal to 44 by 7 into 2.5 into 5. This 2 into 2.5 will be 5 plus 9. Okay, this is equal to 44 by 7 into 2.5 into, this will become 14. Now this will equal to, on solving this, we will find that 1540 divided by 7, this is equal to 220 mm square. So this is the total surface area of this capsule. Okay, this capsule. Therefore the total surface area of the given capsule is 220 mm square. So friend, I think the concept is clear here. If you have any doubt or any query or any question, please write it in the comment box. I will check them and surely reply. If you like the video, press the like button and share among your friends. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again in the next video with a new question. Till then, bye. Thank you.